we're doing 10 to 23 days, so part 2. And so I've laid out the stuff we did on part 1. So let's open 10. So 10 is somewhere here, and it looks like we've got a microphone and like stars. So just skip that. Here it is. Nice thing, and I like it because it's a microphone, because Stephanie can sing on it. So 11, here we go. And then here we go. Look at that. We've got like an ice cream factory coming on. We got an ice cream, and we've got, I don't know what it is, but we got chocolate heart brownie. Now 12. So 12 is here. We've got milk, a cup, and a star again. So I'll just get that. Here it is. And I like it because she can pour the milk into the cup and then she can drink. So on to 13. I wish they could tell us where we were because I can't find. Ooh, it looks like a campfire's coming on with marshmallows. That's what I'll do in the winter. Here it is. So 2 little chairs, and then we got fire, and then we got marshmallows on a stick. So she can sit down with like a fairy friend, and she can like have marshmallows. Yummy. And tonight I had some marshmallows, and I ate more than my brother. So on to 14.
What do you think to that, Austin?
14. So, where is it? There. Ooh. You see, we've already got one. Now we've got another one. So, there it is. We can attach that on. I'll do that after we've done nearly to 23. So, on to 15. I hate finding these. We've got so cute. The bedroom. So there it is. I like it so because it's so tiny and so cute. So we can move on to 15. 15. What day are we on? 16. I'm losing my mind. A cute little cat and fish. You know I love cats. Cats are me. So there's the cat. So cute and fluffy. And now we're going to move on to 16. And still losing my mind.
Where's the fish?
I don't know.
Why? Where's it gone?
I don't know.
Has Austin eaten it?
Maybe.
Austin, have you eaten the fish?
No.
I think you might have eaten the fish, haven't you? Are you sure? I think you might have. Oh well.
Well,
Fish dinner.
Well, it looks like we've got something for the cat to sit on. I need to make some room. So we'll move on to 18. For goodness sake. Oh, looks like a stand for some bows and hats. You see, Stephanie's got a hat on. Voila. A bow stand. I need one of them because my bows are going all over the place. So, is it 80 now? No, it's not. It's 90. Where is 90? Where is it? For goodness sake, come here, it's gonna. Ah, there it is. We finally got there in the end. And we got another one of these. So it looks like we're having 3 times the goodness. And nice bright yellow, but not brighter than Stephanie's hair. Now let's move on to 20. Now I'm getting there with my numbers. A Christmas tree. It's time for some presents. So, looks like for the star we've got a gem. Very crystal. Probably Stephanie's very, very rich. I'm not. So let's move on to 21. 2 more days. 1 more day to go until Christmas Eve. Yippee! 21. Found it. Looks like some presents are coming. Yippee! I love Christmas. Christmas is coming to town. And the best part of this is you can open it and it's got a very crystal again. She must be very, very rich. Like the bow and the spots. This one's just an ordinary present. So let's move on to 22. Where is 22? Fine, Jack. Oh, these look so exciting. A cute little horsey. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. So, 23, here we go. The day we're on. Ooh, I know what this is going to be like. It's time to giddy up on a horse. I think it's a bit high. So, now I'm going to show you what they can all do. So, Christmas tree, come over here. Presents under the Christmas tree. Sleigh, come over here. Voila. Voila, monsieur. And then, where's the marshmallow? There's the marshmallow. Rolling away. It's time to heat up some babes. So, now, yahoo! And now, I don't know where that goes, but I don't care. And now, we got the cat. That's not the cat, but here's the cat. And voila! And now, we're gonna all go on the sleigh. Yippee! Get the marshmallow off, yeah. All aboard the Polar Express. Now, who wants to go there? Ruff. Me. And tweet, me. This may take a little while. And then the mice. Well, the bun. E. And all about the Polar Express. So now it's at underneath pole. Well, I don't know where the fish is gone. Probably Austin. Evan has eaten it. No. No. Of course he hasn't. No. Probably I've just lost it. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe down below. It's my granddad's birthday today, so happy birthday, Granddad, and join in our final video. Well, we're not going to stop, but 24, like I like this song, 24 karat magic in the air. Bye.